economies are no longer importing goods from emerging economies. They start trading between each other because they're near each other, they're neighbors, and they're also with a high economic activity. So
sorry, that's the gravity model, right?
yes. So what happens with the gravity model is it generates these regional blocks. So the European Union would be a big trading unit, which would be very closed. So these are protectionist effects, but the intention is something else. We believe that the intentions of the European Union are good. They do want to reduce carbon emissions. However, the collateral effects are those of protectionism. So yes, these tariffs would be a new way of protectionism. I would like to know about it. Do you know who are the ones that are affected the most?
Yes, they are the emerging economies who are the most affected, and that is because the industries that will be affected in the first place will be the fertilizers, the electricity, iron, steel, and cement industries.
So what I would like to add to Valentina's analysis right now is that emerging economies are also, they mainly export commodities and they are highly dependent on manufactured goods. So obviously they would be the most affected by these policies. So that's why we would like to invite you guys to participate for the next episode. We will actually leave the $1 million to you guys if you can answer what the best way would be to reduce carbon emissions while at the same time not affecting emerging economies.
So I would like to give you a clue. The clue is to think of redistribution and the role of the states in this mission. I believe that today, little by little, the inequalities between countries are becoming to disappear and are becoming to lower little by little, and the inequalities within countries are the ones that matter. So, well, that's my help.
Okay, so we will wait for you guys till next week and be ready for the next episode of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Carbon's Emission Edition.